Hello dear friends, I am Amit Belikar from Tips and Tricks by AMB welcomes you to my channel. First let's have a look what we are going to deal in this presentation. Want to know how this mill works? Then don't skip any part of this video and stay tuned. But before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. In previous some presentations, we had already discussed what is size reduction, what are factors affecting size reduction, and mechanisms and meals involved in size reduction. In this presentation, we are discussing about one of the mills used in size reduction, that is hammer mill. After going through this presentation, the learner will be able to describe construction and working of hammer mill and list advantages of hammer mill and list disadvantages of hammer mill and enlist applications of hammer mill. First, we will start with principle or mechanism involved in hammer mill. Hammer mill works on principle of impact. In this mill, material is more or less stationary and it is hit by high speed rotating or moving object. Now let's see construction of hammer mill. The hammer mill consists of a steel casing in which a central shaft is enclosed. A number of swinging hammers are attached to central shaft. When the shaft is rotated, the hammers swing out to a radial position. On the lower part of the casing, a screen of desired size is fitted which can be easily replaced according to particle size required. Hopper is present on the top. The material is collected in suitable receiver. Now let's see how it works. The material is put into the hopper. Material is crushed and pulverized between the hammers and the casing. It remains in the mill until it is fine enough to pass through a screen present at the bottom of the casing. Product from 4 to 425 mesh size can be obtained in this mill. Next, we are discussing the advantages of hammer mill. It is easy to install and operate. Next is operation is continuous. Continuously material can be size reduced, introduced from the hopper, and we can get reduced powder at the outlet. Another advantage is it is rapid in action. Also, it is capable of grinding many different types of materials, so suitable for grinding of many types of materials. Next advantage is metal contamination is less as no surface moving against each other. And another advantage is the particle size of the material to be reduced can be easily controlled by changing the speed of rotor, hammer type, shape and size of the screen. The mill is having some disadvantages too. So let's discuss the disadvantages of hammer mill. First disadvantage is because of high speed of operation, it generates heat that may affect thermolabile materials or drugs containing gum, fat or resins. The problem can be overcome by using jacketed mills in which cool water is introduced to cool the mill, or it can be used by air cooling too. Second disadvantage is The rate of feed must be controlled carefully as the mill may be choked, resulting in decreased efficiency or even damage. And next disadvantage is it is susceptible to damage by foreign objects such as stones or metal in the feed. Magnets can be used to remove iron, but the feed must be checked visually for any other contamination. Now let's see the applications or uses of hammer mill. Both brittle and fibrous materials can be handled in hammer mills. In pharmaceutical industry, it is used for grinding dry materials, wet filter cakes, ointments and slurries. It is capable of producing intermediate grade of powder from almost any substance except sticky materials that choke the screen. So its applications include the powdering of barks, leaves, roots, crystals and filter cakes. Now it's time to summarize the session. In this session we had discussed construction and working of hammer mill. Easy installation, continuous operation, rapid action, variety material grindability, less metal contamination and easy control on particle size are the advantages of hammer mill. We also discussed heat generation, feed rate control and damage by metal or stones in feed are disadvantages of hammer mill. Finally, we had discussed applications of hammer mill. Thank you for your patient listening. If you like this presentation, please click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of further videos. Like it and share it to your dear ones. Drop your queries in comments or on my mail address which is given in the video. Thank you once again.